this is our third part series of abdominal Pilates workout. Welcome back to my channel, Annie-pilates Physical Therapist. This video will be focusing on our deeper abdominal muscles, the transverse abdominis, a natural corset that protects our spine and improve our posture. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay friends, we'll start on our hands and knees to activate our core muscles first. Take a deep breath, cat and camel, belly button in, and slowly look up and blow. Inhale and blow. Try to activate the deep muscles. Pull your belly button in and blow. And blow. So we're going to do a lot planking positions today to target our deeper muscles. The plank helps activate the transverse abdominis more. So we're going to start with your knees apart a little bit, hands apart, fingers apart to support your weight, and slowly lift your knees off the mat. Take a deep breath and down blow. We'll do that 10 times. Pull your belly button in and blow. Inhale and down gently. Inhale through your nose, feel your core engaging. Slowly building this up, our abdominal core workout. Take a deep breath and down slowly. Take a deep breath up and down blow. Inhale and blow. Belly button in, engage. Last one and blow. Now we're gonna do some forward plank on our hands first. Open, hold it there. Breath and blow. Slowly lifting your right leg up and down. Alternating left and right 10 times. And then left leg up, right leg up. Keeping your core engaged. It's a lot on the shoulders if you have shoulder weakness, so it helps strengthen your shoulders as well. Inhale up and blow. Belly button in, engage your core and down. And then child pose to stretch your shoulders. Take a deep breath and blow. That's a nice warm up. Now we're gonna go bird dog, alternating leg, right leg up, left leg straight, reach as far as you can and down. Inhale through your nose gently, down blow. Inhale through your nose, blow. Belly button in, blow. Deep breaths, blow. Blow. Last one, you're on your left hand and right leg down, and then child pose again. Take a deep breath and blow. Now we're gonna go back to our hands and feet and then downward dog. Take a deep breath and back to the plank. Inhale through your nose, downward dog. Feel the stretch on your calf muscles and back to plank, targeting your transverse abdominis. Inhale and back to downward dog and blow. Take a deep breath back, downward dog. Plank position, belly button in and downward dog. We'll be alternating downward dog and plank until we reach 10 repetitions. Inhale and blow. Belly button in, downward dog. Inhale through your nose, engage your core, and back to plank. Inhale, blow. Belly button in to plank. Feel the stretch in your calf and your low back muscles. And back to plank. And now we're going to reaching your right knee to your right elbow and back to plank. Left touching and blow. Right and left. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 3 more. Each leg. Right and left. Inhale. Blow. Last one. And blow, and back to downward dog. And blow. Dog. Take a deep breath. Hold. Feel the stretch in your calf. And back to plank position. Take a deep breath. And back to downward dog and blow. Feel the stretch in your calf and your shoulders. And back to forward plank. And hold this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to downward dog. Belly button in. Engage your core. And back to plank position. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And downward dog. And we'll be doing this for 10 times. We did 3 repetitions already. We have 7 more to go. Inhale deeply and back. Forward plank on your hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And downward dog. Take a deep breath and blow. And back to forward plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And take a deep breath. And back to downward dog and blow. Take a deep breath and back to forward plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and downward dog and blow. We're halfway to go with our hand planks. 10-second hold. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath. And downward dog and blow. Hand planks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And downward dog. Back to hand planks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And downward dog. Hand plank. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And downward dog. Last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And downward dog. And now we're going to do single leg downward dog. Lift your right leg up first, as high as you can. Hold it there. Slowly bend your knee. Take a deep breath. And slowly reach for your right elbow and blow. And up again. Gently bend your knee. Take a deep breath. We'll do this 5 times each leg. Inhale through your nose. And reach on your right elbow and blow. And lift. Bend your knee, stretch your hip flexors and your abdominals to get the full range, and then reach for your elbow. Take a deep breath, twist, stretch, inhale through your nose, belly button in, feel that lovely stretch on your hip flexors, and blow. Last one, kick as high as you can and twist. Take a deep breath, push with your heel down on your left to get a stretch on your calf, and back to your right elbow and down. Now let's do it on the left side. Lift, a deep breath. Inhale through your nose, belly button in, low, reaching in your left elbow. Lift as high as you can, bend, take a deep breath, belly button in, and back blow. Lift, bend, take a deep breath, belly button in, and blow. Last one, take a deep breath. Lift as high as you can, twist. Feel the stretch of your hip flexors, and reach on your elbow and blow, and down. Now we're gonna go to our clasp your fingers together, feet apart, elbow plank. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift with your right. 1, left, right, left, keeping your pelvic not like a downward dog but leveled with your shoulders. Right leg up, left, inhale and blow. Belly button in, engage your core. 3 more on each leg. 3, 2, and last one. 1, and blow. And down to child pose. Gonna lie on your back, and we're gonna do some lovely abdominal workout with the lift to your lower abdominal muscles. Lift, take a deep belly button in and down, blow. Double leg lift, inhale, and slowly go down and blow. Keeping your back in neutral spine without anterior tilt or posterior pelvic tilt, engaging your core muscles more. And blow. Inhale through your nose, belly button in, and blow. 2 more to go. Inhale up and down, blow. Last one, take a deep breath, belly button in and down, blow. And now we're going to do bicycle, right and left. Warm up, reach, kick. Put your hands behind your head and twist towards the left, to the right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, blow. Twist your abs, reach, right knees, both knees to the side, back to the left, and down. Let's stretch your hamstrings a little bit, and double leg circles. Bend your knees, toes pointing you. Inhale, feel your core. Blow through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Belly button in. Engage your core. Counterclockwise, take a deep breath. Inhale and blow. Belly button in. Feel the core engage. Last 2 circles. And scissoring. And then right, don't touch the mat. Keep it hanging there, alternating. Inhale and blow. Belly button in. Take a deep breath and blow. Alternating and blow, scissoring. We'll have 1 more stretch. Open and close. Open and reach and blow. Belly button in. Blow. So it's like a windshield wiper. Take a deep breath, lift your shoulders, engage your core, feel the burn in your abdominal muscles. And last one, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, blow. Whew, and that's it. Thanks again for joining me for a lovely abdominal transverse abdominis workout. Target our deeper core muscles, deeper abdominal that wraps around like a natural corset of our spine. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays for Pilates and physical therapy treatment plans, Friday for advanced Pilates and yoga, and Sundays for beginners. Thanks again for watching. Have a great and healthier you. Bye!